Leon from Mitsubishi Company. A deluxe room, which costs 5,000 per night. Your arrival date will be February 27 and your departure date is March 2. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Morning, ma'am. Welcome to the hotel.
Morning, Mr. Process.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I have a reservation.
May I know the name, ma'am?
Mara de Leon.
Just check, ma'am. You're Mara De Leon from Mitsubishi. May I have the letter? You'll be having your deluxe room for this night.
Yes.
You'll be departing on March 2. Do you have any requests in your room, ma'am?
I can have some wine in my room.
Here's your key, ma'am. Our bellboy is gonna assist you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's wait. Let's wait. Morning, ma'am. Welcome to the hotel. May I have your bag?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I would like to check in.
May I ask what type of room do you want?
Clear room.
As of this moment, ma'am, our queen suite is not available, but we do have a deluxe room. Would you like to try it? But if our queen suite is available, we'll be transferring you. Yeah.
Okay.
May I know the name, ma'am?
Chelsea Petra.
You can just fill out this form and right after give it to me.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll just your Chelsea kayak app, ma'am. Your type of room is deluxe room. You'll be staying here from February 27 to March 2, and you'll be departing by March 2. What payment will you give us? Is it credit card or cash?
A cash.
You need to deposit some cash before you check in.